The Travel Channel presents Backpacking Through Europe with a bow-legged man in short shorts.
Hello, come, let's see some beautiful sights together. Hello, Cat. Thank you for controlling local rat population. Hello, Windmill. Thank you for the cheese ride and ball cooling. Next week, bullet trains.
Hey, Dad, are you busy? I was thinking we could spend some time together.
Okay, are you a television set or the internet?
No. There's
Okay.
a 3-day weekend coming up, and I thought maybe you and I could finally go fishing like we've been talking about.
Sorry, Chris, I can't. I got insanity practice. Ah! Voices! Angry fish!
How's he doing?
Not good. He still thinks this is practice of some sort.
But you promised we'd go fishing.